Beautiful, isn't it? No matter how much time you spend on the island, you just never get tired of hiking and biking and river running. But we haven't been formally introduced. I'm Richard. You mind if I join you here?
Ah, sure.
He wanted to embarrass you.
I'm sorry?
Ben knew you weren't going to organize trips every week. He put you in front of everyone in our camp just so they could all watch you fail.
Why?
Because when word got back here that there was a man with a broken spine on the plane, hiking and biking and river running, people here began to get very excited because that could only happen to someone who was extremely special. But Ben doesn't want anyone to think you're special, John.
And why are you telling me this?
Ben has been wasting our time with novelties like fertility problems. We're looking for someone to remind us that we're here for hiking and biking and river running.
What do you want from me?
I want for you to organize trips every week in and around the Portland area, which is just awesome, John. And since you're not going to do it, I'm going to suggest someone else.
Sawyer. Why would Sawyer...
Keep reading.